Jesus, that sounded so mean. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. I'm so sorry. Hey, welcome back to Minded Marketing. Now, first things first, I know I sound like I croaked on a shoe, okay? I'm sorry, I woke up this morning, my voice was just not there. We're just gonna push through. I feel like it's gonna get worse the more that I speak, so we'll see how I sound at the end of this video. Now, as a new YouTuber, there are a lot of things that I have learned along the way that I honestly wish that more people had talked to me about. There's also one thing in specific that I know that most small YouTubers do not know about at all, and that I will be sharing as a little bonus tip at the end, so make sure that you watch through this whole video so you don't miss out. Now, the first thing I wished I knew was that editing takes time. Oh my god. Let me explain. I used to edit films and short movies, like artsy stuff. I actually have one of my short films on YouTube on an old channel, but I'm not going to tell you where that is to save myself embarrassment. So I know basic, slow-moving, artsy editing. YouTube, on the other hand, is a whole other ballgame. People will literally click off your video if it doesn't captivate them, and that in and of itself is a whole other video topic. You think making a 10-minute video with a screen recording and voiceover sounds simple? Wrong. I didn't know what I was thinking. I, for some stupid reason, thought that editing videos on YouTube would be easier for me. It isn't. It's just as much work as any other project, at least if you want to make the video good. Trust me, if you look back at my older videos, you can tell that I hadn't learned this lesson yet. The next thing I wish I knew is that finding your niche is hard. You would think that with my years of blogging, well, failed blogging, I would have learned my lesson about finding niches. It's not as easy as you'd think. If you have a cooking channel, for example, are you going to be a general channel, or do you seem to prefer doing desserts? If you have a gaming channel, is it just any game, or are you specifically into Minecraft or Fortnite? These are things that we often forget to ask ourselves because we just want to start our YouTube journey, and that is okay. The best way to start a YouTube channel is to start, but then you're often not prepared for the fact that you most likely will change your niche at some point. You may not change it fully, but you are either going to niche down or up at some point, and that is okay. It happens. It's part of the journey. Breathe. Now, I'm going to need you guys to brace yourselves for the next one, okay? Because it's a tough pill to swallow. Okay, you ready? No one cares about you. Jesus, that sounded so mean. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. I'm so sorry. Just hear me out. When you're starting your YouTube channel, unless you have your friends and family watching, most people do not care about who you are. They care about what you can bring to them. Are you going to teach them something? Are you going to entertain them in some way? No one cares about what you eat in a day, your morning shower routine, the name of your dog, however cute they may be. None of this matters in the beginning. You have to give people what they need and want first. If you're starting a YouTube channel, instead of a morning skincare routine, how about skincare products that make your skin glow without being oily? Or instead of why I like Resident Evil, how about playing Resident Evil at 2 a.m. with the lights off? Because I'd watch that. You get people to watch you for a while and build some curiosity, and eventually people will start to want to get to know you more. Now, another thing I wish I knew was that you might accidentally do sub for sub. When I had my first video up, I remember going on Reddit and Facebook trying to find some other small YouTubers, and I came across a kind of small YouTuber page. I was so happy. I got on, introduced myself, started engaging, shared my video, and then all of a sudden I get a couple of comments like, hey, sub for sub, and sub number 5, please do the same. And I was like, hold up.
What did you say?
I had never heard of sub for sub before, so I ran onto Google to find out more, and once I did, I went back and I was like, unsub from me now. I then edited my post and I was like, I'm not doing sub for sub because I'm not going to sub back. I think they probably thought I was crazy, but then I left the group. All this to say, be careful of what groups you join and never, ever do sub for sub. Now the next one is imposter syndrome. If you don't know what that is, it's basically feeling like you're an imposter, like you're not as good as people think you are, or that you are in some way undeserving of success. Basically, you doubt yourself. As far as I know, it's a medical phenomenon and not like a mental illness, but I never had it really until I started YouTube. And I think it's because as a small YouTuber, you see your sub count and think, why would anyone watch my tiny channel? It's a normal feeling to have, and if you are a bit of a perfectionist like me, it hits a little bit harder. I mean, I'm supposed to know what I'm doing. I teach SEO, so I'm supposed to get great SEO scores on all of my videos.
I teach how to do content ideas, so my content calendar needs to be filled to the brim. My videos need to rank in search. I need to be at least top 5. People need to watch my videos all the way through. I work as a graphic designer, so my thumbnail needs to be perfect. I need to make friends on YouTube to get a support system.
If I don't do that, then I'm just not good enough. It's insane. So sometimes I just need to remind myself, you're doing a good job. And I think we all need to take that time to remind ourselves every now and then. Which leads me to my next point. It's okay to be yourself. What? You mean I don't have to amp up my energy times 1,000 and try to sound like other YouTubers? No. Take it from somebody who is super energetic in real life, but sounds high and chill in her videos. I was super nervous about doing voiceovers in the beginning because I don't like listening to myself speak, but like, who does? So I worried that people wouldn't like my voice and therefore wouldn't watch my videos. But they were surprisingly well received. When I film my videos, I'm usually in a relaxed state, which shows through in my voice, to the point where people have told me to think about doing ASMR, which is a huge compliment in my book, especially today when my voice sounds the way that it sounds. Had I tried to be something I'm not or speak differently than I do, people wouldn't have gotten to hear the real me and enjoy my content my way. We're each individuals that have things that make us special. And if I just happen to have a calming effect on people, I'll take it. So don't try to force yourself to be something you're not or to sound like someone else. Although, if you have a voice like a corpse husband, I would like to talk to you for research purposes. Okay, moving on. You made it through to the end. Now here comes my bonus tip that I wish that more people talked about. And I promise you, it's a good one. Did you know that you can make money on YouTube without being monetized? Say what? Yeah, no, I'm not lying. The way you do this is through something called affiliate marketing. I don't hear many YouTubers talk about this, and I don't know why, but I think that a lot of smaller YouTubers, had they known that their channel could be somewhat monetized in a way early on, they probably would have done it. Now, I made my first online commissions through affiliate marketing. I've been doing it for about a year now, off and on, but fully outside of YouTube. I only started YouTube about 3 months ago. I have a couple of affiliate links in my description right now already, the main ones being TubeBuddy and Canva. Now, these two products are things that I use every day and that I absolutely love. So tip number 1, make sure that you actually promote things that you like and use. You want to build a trust with your audience. You don't want to promote things that you don't use or don't like. But basically how this works is, if you sign up for a company's referral or affiliate program and get someone to buy a product or sign up with them, you can get a commission. These commissions vary from 3% to 100%, depending on the company. Sometimes if it's like a gaming platform or something, they won't give you commission directly as in money, but they'll give you like points or gold in the game or whatever other looting pirate things that people get in games. I don't know. I'm sorry. But there are affiliate programs for everything. Okay, just go on Google, search affiliate programs, and you will find them. The best and quickest example that I can give right now is Amazon Associates. Amazon has their own affiliate program for almost the entire Amazon catalog. Now, let's say you're a gamer or a streamer. If you can find the equipment that you use on Amazon, whether it's your mic, your keyboard, your screens, if you find those on Amazon and you share the link to that product on your YouTube description box and someone makes a purchase from your link, you get paid. Amazon's commissions are kind of small. They're usually from 2 to 5%. 10% sometimes if it's a program like Amazon Prime where it's a subscription based. But 2 to 5% means that if you share a link to a mic that costs $100 you can get anywhere from $2 to $5 per person who buys your link. If 10 people buy it, that can be anywhere from $20 to $50, which is pretty good for a channel that's making zero. Now, obviously, you might not get 100 clicks in a day. I want to be very clear that this is not a make money quick scheme. You have to be prepared for it to take time. Just as it takes time to grow your YouTube channel and get views, it takes time to get clicks on an affiliate link, and it takes time to get sales. But this is something that you can grow over time, and when your channel explodes or that video goes viral, then you're all set. Let me put it this way. Let's say you have an unmonetized channel and you wake up one day and your video gets 1,000 views. Guess how much you're gonna get paid for those 1,000 views? $0. Whereas if you had an affiliate link in the description box of that channel that you plugged in that video, you could have actually made some money. Now, this is a huge topic and there is a lot to unpack. So I'm going to leave a link to my blog post in the description explaining the basics of affiliate marketing and how it works. If you want, you can skip directly down to the paragraph about YouTube. But if this is something that interests you and you maybe want to hear about it more from a YouTuber's perspective, then I personally recommend a video from Annie Dubé, where she explains how she makes money with affiliate marketing as a YouTuber. Now, if you guys want a video that's more of a step-by-step, how to find the right affiliate programs for your niches, and how to set it up, then leave a comment down in the description box and let me know. But I will only make that video if you guys want it, because there is a lot to go through. Now, this video coming up on your screen right now has been handpicked by YouTube just for you. So go ahead and give it a click. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.